Everyone, I'm Arvind from Institute of Analytics and I'm going to show you the power of R and visualization. The food we eat. We all love to eat different types of food. Some love cheeseburgers, some love french fries, some love shawarmas, etc. etc. And at least once a week or once in a month, you hang out with friends or families to your favorite places, say McDonald's or be it a KFC. We love to enjoy exploring different types of food and we all love them. But have you ever wondered, by eating a certain type of food, that we are going to intake a particular amount of calories or particular amount of fat or sugar, etc.? We don't. Here is a data that shows what is the amount of calories for this particular type of food, egg McMuffin, and what is the amount of total fat in grams, cholesterol, carbohydrates, sugars, and protein. By just looking at the data, all we see is numbers. We are not able to identify any relationship that we have that exists between these data. So this is where R comes into play, the magic of R. And in less than 3.5 minutes, I'm going to show what R can do for us. I'm going to read the data using read.csv function, and I'm going to show you the structure of the data. There are 360 rows and 24 variables, and these are all the variables and the types of data types. I'm gonna visualize it. For that, I'm gonna require a package called Lattice. If you don't have Lattice, you can just click install and type Lattice. It will automatically install it for you. I'm gonna use a splom function to plot a scatter plot. I'm gonna use data. I'm not gonna use all our columns. I'm only going to use a particular column, say fourth column calories, sixth column total fat, and likewise I'm only going to use few columns because others are just daily values. I'm going to omit them. I'm going to plot it. Oh, this these lines and text seem to disturb us, so let's remove them. Not dot tck. We can do anything with our text dot alpha. Now let's see. Look, now we are able to clearly visualize how beautiful our raw data has turned into a scatter plot. Now we can find some relationship that exists in this data. Say we are interested in predicting calories and you want to find which nutrients contributes the most to the calories. And from this scatter plot, we can understand. Say total fat versus calories. There is some linear relationship, positive linear relationship between total fat and calories. And as total fat increases, calories increase. This shows there is linear relationship. Whereas in the case of cholesterol, there is no linear relationship. Sodium doesn't seem to have any linear relationship. Carbohydrates seem to have a good amount of linear, positive linear relationship with calories. Not as much as total fat, but it is enough. That fiber does not have any linear relationship. Sugar doesn't seem. Protein seem to have some kind of linear relationship. So from this particular scatter plot, we are able to identify the important nutrients that contributes to the calories most: total fat, carbohydrates, and protein. So this is where the magic works, and all you need is just 2 lines of code. Boom! Thank you. Enjoy learning.